guys, welcome back again.
And for today, Pierre here will show you how to identify the flags and the countries in the map. I will let you put the flags first and then later you tell Daddy what country are those. Yes, you will watch River Safari vlog after this. What country flag is this, Pierre? United States. Finish na? Okay, let's check. Start with this one. What country flag is this, Pierre?
Canada.
Canada. Very good. How about this one?
United States.
United States. You stay here. We say that. You go there. You go there. I.
We down the bed, Daddy.
What?
We down the
You
bed.
sit down on the bed. Okay. How will you tell Daddy these flags? Okay, I'll rotate the flag na lang. Okay, next. After United States. This one. What country flag is this, Pierre? Pierre, what country flag is this? What flag is this?
Cuba.
Cuba. Pierre, what country flag is this?
Mexico.
Mexico flag. Correct. Now about this one. Ay, you put your feet though. This one?
Colombia.
Colombia. This one is Peru. Brazil. Argentina. Chile. Okay, correct. Okay, next. Let's go in the middle. Australia. This one, Pierre?
We doing that.
Indonesia. Philippines. Japan.
Japan.
This one?
Korea.
Korea. How about this one?
Russia.
Russia. This one?
China.
China. How about this one?
India.
India. Oh no. What flag is that? What flag is this? What? Kazakhstan. This one?
India.
India. Very good. This one?
Turkey.
Turkey. Correct. This one. This one, Pierre.
You.
What's this? Iran.
Iran.
This one.
Saudi Arabia.
Yeah. Who stays in Saudi Arabia?
Mommy, Baba, Baby, Lucas.
And Daddy Joey.
Daddy,
This one.
Egypt.
Egypt. Here. Oh. Your feet is holding the flag of? What country flag is this?
Like he's out.
Africa. Again, South Africa.
South Africa.
Very good. This one.
Do.
Ethiopia.
Ethiopia.
This one.
Do.
Nigeria. This one.
Do.
Algeria flag. This one.
Spain flag.
Spain flag. You're drooling. Oh, this one.
United Kingdom flag.
United Kingdom flag. How about this one?
Do.
This one.
Do.
This one.
Do.
Finland. This one. The yellow one. The yellow cross.
Sweden.
And then this one.
Norway flag.
Norway flag. This one.
Do.
Germany. This one.
Do.
This one.
Nigeria.
France. Then this one.
Nigeria.
Yeah, this is Nigeria. Why is it there in the Italy? You exchange this one.
Huh?
This one is Nigeria. Nigeria is here. This one is Italy. It's okay. This one is?
Do. Italy flag.
Italy flag. And this one is?
Nigeria flag.
Yes, correct. Very good naman, Pierre. Pierre, clap your hands, clap your hands. Yeah, good job. Yay. Okay.
No, what? Hurry. Equal watching by. Share. Everyone. Take care. Stay home. Magbati you. Yeah.